Basti Karma, a comprehensive guide. Basti Karma is a vital therapeutic procedure in Ayurveda, focusing on the administration of medicinal substances into the body for a specific duration. This presentation delves into the intricacies of Basti Karma, exploring its significance, techniques, and various classifications. Understanding Basti Karma. Etymology. The term Basti originates from the root vas, meaning to dwell or reside. Basti Karma involves administering medicinal substances that stay within the body for a specific time before being discharged. Definition. Basti Karma is a therapeutic procedure where medicinal substances are administered to the abdomen, targeting the elimination of impurities and providing nourishment to the body. Significance of Basti Karma. Vata dosa management. Basti Karma is considered the most effective treatment for alleviating Vata dosa, which is responsible for various diseases. Ardha Chikitsa. Basti Karma is often referred to as Ardha Chikitsa, half treatment, due to its significant role in overall health management. Superior therapy. Basti Karma is considered superior to other therapies due to its versatility and ability to address various health concerns. Traditional Basti Yantra. Basti Netra. The Basti Netra nozzle is a crucial component of the traditional Basti Yantra. It is typically made from materials like gold, silver, or bamboo and has a specific shape and size. Basti Putaka. The Basti Putaka bladder is another essential part of the traditional Basti Yantra. It is usually made from the bladder of an animal like a goat or buffalo and is carefully prepared for use. Alternative Basti Yantra. Basti Netra. Modern Basti Karma often utilizes rubber catheters as an alternative to the traditional Basti Netra. These catheters are readily available in various sizes and are easily sterilized. Basti Putaka. Instead of the traditional Basti Putaka, modern Basti Karma employs enema kits, syringes, or modified plastic, rubber bags. These instruments are convenient and readily available. Basti Vargikaran. Administration procedure. Basti Karma can be classified based on the administration procedure, including Niruha, Asthapana, Sneha, Anuvasana, and Uttara Basti. Administration site. Basti Karma can also be classified based on the administration site, such as Pakvashegata, anal route, Mutrashayagata, urethral route, and Garbhashayagata, vaginal route. Administration schedule. Basti Karma can be classified based on the administration schedule, including Karma Basti, 30 day, Kala Basti, 16 day, and Yoga Basti, 8 day. General precautions. Avoid excess. Neither Niruha nor Anuvasana Basti should be administered continuously in excess, as it can lead to imbalances. Simultaneous administration. Snehapana, oil intake, and Sneha Basti should not be administered simultaneously, as it can vitiate Vata and Agni. Temperature. Usna Basti, warm, should be administered for diseases caused by cold, while Sahita Basti, cold, should be administered for diseases caused by heat. Key takeaways. Vata dosa management. Improved digestion, enhanced immunity, overall well-being. Basti Karma is a powerful therapeutic procedure in Ayurveda that can effectively manage Vata dosa, improve digestion, enhance immunity, and promote overall well-being. It is essential to consult with a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner before undergoing Basti Karma to ensure proper administration and achieve optimal results.